It's the legend car. It's the American iconic muscle car. It's Ford Mustang. Today, let's talk about the most heated discussion electric Ford Mustang, and it's the all-electric Ford Mach-E. Speaking of the Ford Mustang has been popular and iconic sports car for several decades, and its best-selling model is typically the standard gasoline-powered Ford Mustang Coupe. Mustang GT, with its powerful V8 engine, has traditionally been a popular choice among Mustang enthusiasts. Very good news is that Ford has expanded the Mustang lineup in recent years to include different variants and models. This includes the introduction of the Ford Mustang Mach-E, an all-electric SUV, which has gained attention and popularity in electric vehicle market. Certainly, we always love to talk about the fun fact about the Ford Mustang. Number 1. Iconic debut. The Ford Mustang was first introduced to the public in April 1964 at the New York World's Fair. It created a sensation and quickly became a symbol of American automotive design and performance. Number 2. Named after a horse. The Mustang is named after the North American wild horse, which is known for its strength and agility. The name captures the spirit of the car's power and performance. Number 3 is the movie star. The Ford Mustang gained further popularity through its appearance in various movies and TV shows. Notably, the Mustang starred in the 1968 film Bullitt alongside Stephen McQueen, featuring one of the most famous car chase scenes in the cinema history. Number 4. The overnight success. The Mustang was an instant hit, exceeding the Ford sales expectations. In its first year of production, more than 400,000 Mustangs were sold, making it one of the most successful vehicle launches in automotive history. Number 5. Generational evolution. The Mustang has gone through several generations changes since its inception, with each generation bringing up to its design, technology, and performance. These changes have kept the Mustang relevant and appealing to the car enthusiasts across different eras. Number 6. Shelby performance. Carroll Shelby, a renowned race car driver and designer, collaborated with Ford to create high-performance versions of the Mustang, such as the Shelby GT350 and Shelby GT500. These models are highly sought after by collectors and performance enthusiasts. Number 7. Global popularity. While the Mustang is an American icon, it has gained popularity worldwide. Ford introduced the Mustang to the international market, making it available in various countries and allowing enthusiasts from around the globe to experience the thrill of owning a Mustang. Number 8. Continuously production. Unlike many classic cars that went out of production for a period, the Ford Mustang has remained in production since its launch in 1964. This makes it one of the longest-running nameplates in the automotive industry. And the last, customization and aftermarket support. The Mustang has a variant aftermarket community, offering a wide range of customization options, performance upgrades, and accessories. These allow owners to personalize their Mustangs and make them unique. Do you have any fun facts about the Mustang you want to share with us? Don't wait to leave comments below to let us know. Ford developed the Mustang SUV, known as the Mustang Mach-E, as a response to the growing demand for electric vehicles and the shifting trends in the automotive industry. There are a few key reasons why Ford decided to expand the Mustang lineup to include an SUV. The first one is electric vehicle market. The global automotive industry has been a significant increase in demand for electric vehicles in recent years. By developing an electric SUV, Ford aimed to tap into its growing market and offer an all-electric options for consumers who prefer the SUVs. Number 2 is the brand extension. The Mustang has a long-standing reputation as an iconic sports car, known for its performance and style. By introducing the Mustang Mach-E, Ford sought to extend the Mustang brand into the electric vehicle segment, leveraging the existing brand recognition and loyalty to attract the customers to their electric offerings. Number 3, the performance and practicality. The Mustang Mach-E was designed to provide a combination of performance and practicality. By leveraging the Mustang's reputation for power and driving dynamics, Ford aimed to offer an electric SUV that provides an engaging driving experience while also delivering the space, versatility, and features expected from an SUV. Number 4 is environmental consideration. As concerns about climate change and environmental impact have grown, automakers have been under increasing pressure to develop more sustainable vehicles. The Mustang Mach-E, as an electric SUV, aligns with Ford's efforts to reduce carbon emissions and offer greener transportation options. Number 5 is the competitive landscape. Several other automakers have entered the electric SUV market, recognizing its potential. Ford wants to remain competitive and ensure they had an offering in this segment to attract the customers who are specifically looking for the electric SUVs. So, it's important to note that the Mustang Mach-E is an electric SUV inspired by the Mustang, but it is not a traditional Mustang sports car. Ford made this decision to adapt to the changing market and capitalize on the demand for electric vehicles, while incorporating the Mustang design cues and spirit into a new form factors. So speaking of the electric Ford Mustang Mach-E, let's see some notable features and innovations of the Mustang Mach-E. Number 1 is all-electric powertrain. The Mustang Mach-E is Ford's first all-electric SUV, offering zero-emissions driving. It is powered by a choice of the battery options and electric motors, providing an efficient and environmentally friendly driving experience. Number 2 is the design. The Mustang Mach-E features a sleek and sporty design that blends elements of the classic Mustang with SUV practicality. It has a distinctive front fascia, muscular proportions, and a sloping roof line, giving it dynamic and athletic appearance. Number 3, the range and performance option. The Mach-E offers different range and performance options to suit varied needs. It comes with standard range and extended range battery options, offering different driving distance on a single charge. Additionally, the Mach-E GT Performance Edition delivers enhanced power and accelerations. Next is the interior and technology. The Mach-E boasts a modern and spacious interior with premium materials and advanced technology features. It includes a large vertical-oriented touchscreen infotainment system, running a Ford Sync 4A interface, providing access to various entertainment, connectivity, and navigation features. Number 5. Over-the-ear updates. The Mach-E supports over-the-ear software updates, allowing for continuous improvement and new features additions without requiring a visit to the dealership. This feature helps keep the vehicle up to date with the latest software and advancements. Number 6 is the charging capability. The Mustang Mach-E supports both AC and DC charging, enabling flexible charging options. It is compatible with various charging networks and can charge at home with a standard wall outlet or with the higher power charging stations for faster charging. Number 7 is the driver assistant features. The Mach-E is equipped with a range of the driver assistance features to enhance safety and convenience. This includes the features like the adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistant, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. Although the Mustang Mach-E had just been introduced recently, it had created lots of debates already. So let's see its pros and cons from his fans. About the pros, number 1 is the electric performance. The Mustang Mach-E offers impressive electric performance with the instant torque, providing quick accelerations and responsive handling. It delivers a thrilling driving experience with the added benefit of zero tailpipe emissions. Number 2, range and charging. Depending on the chosen battery configuration, the Mustang Mach-E offers a range that can accommodate most daily commute and longer trips. It supports fast charging, allowing for shorter charging times and convenient access to the public charging infrastructure. Number 3, the stylish design. The Mustang Mach-E features a sleek and sporty design, borrowing design cues from the classic Mustang while adapting them to the SUV form. It stands out with its aggressive stance, bold grille-less front fascia, and sculpted body lines. Number 4, spacious interior. The Mach-E provides a comfortable and spacious interior, accommodating both passenger and cargo. It offers ample legroom, a roomy rear seat, and a sizable cargo area, making it suitable for families or those needing versatile storage space. And the last one is the advanced technology. The Mach-E comes equipped with a range of advanced technology features. This includes a large touchscreen infotainment system with the Ford Sync 4A interface, smartphone integration, and various driver assistance systems like the adaptive cruise control and the lane keeping assistant. And about the cons, the number 1 is the price. As an electric SUV with advanced technology and performance features, the Mustang Mach-E may have a higher starting price compared to the traditional gasoline-powered SUVs. However, this can vary depending on the chosen trim level, options, and available incentives. Number 2 is the limited charging infrastructure. While electric vehicle charging infrastructure continues to expand, it may still be less accessible or less developed in certain areas. This can limit the convenience and ease of the long-distance travel if suitable charging stations are not readily available. Number 3, brand departure. The Mustang Mach-E represents a departure from the traditional Mustang sports car as it is an all-electric SUV. Some purists may have the reservation about the Mustang name being associated with an SUV, especially considering the Mustang's long history as a two-door sports car. Number 4. The potential charging time. While fast charging is supported, charging times for electric vehicles, including the Mustang Mach-E, are generally longer compared to the refueling a gasoline-powered vehicle. This can require some adjustment in terms of planning and scheduling for the longer trips. And it doesn't stop here. It's worth noting that these pros and cons are based on the general observations, and individual preference and requirements may vary. It's recommended to test drive the Mustang Mach-E, research further, and consider personal needs and priorities before making a purchasing decision. Alright, my friend, I hope you enjoyed today's sharing. Remember to subscribe, thumbs up, and share to your friends who are interested in Mustang series. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out our any videos. Adios!